Hello, Aquarius, Summer Rising, and Venus Signs. Kumusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Aquarius, we have goals. Progress is positive and personal goals will be achieved. Ayan, so this is a time for progress, no? This is a time for new beginnings din sa buhay ninyo and accomplishments. Kaya napakaganda. We have love. Ayan, you are surrounded with love. All your connections. Move forward positively in all areas of life. So napakaganda nito kasi you're going to be full of love. Sa ngayon, you're going to see people, situations also in the eyes of love, yung ganon. Kaya, maaari din na may mga bagong love and romantic relationships dito na mabubuo for some of you. What else? We have plane. Yan, may travel kayo, no? A journey is indicated either physically or metaphorically. Your life will become more full. Aquarius, meron kayong travel dito na gagawin, meron kayong pupuntahan, meron kayong biyaheng gagawin sa ngayon, and that could be an international travel, no? Possible din na domestic lang yan, at mag-aeroplano lang kayo, baka na kailangan ninyong magmadali, no? We have angel, your angels are guiding and protecting you on your spiritual journey, kaya you are so blessed, no? You are so blessed that your angels are there, always there to protect you, to guide you, no? Sa kahit anumang sitwasyon. We have luck. Ayan, swerte kayo sa ngayon. Mababalot kayo ng swerte. Kaya, take advantage of that. Maraming opportunities and possibilities dito siguro sa inyo. So, be strong and optimistic, no, about the opportunities that are ahead of you. Okay? We have wish, and wish is coming to fruition. Your heart's desire is ready to become true. Kaya, keep the positive mindset. Project positive attitude, no? Para nang sa gayon, anong tawag dito, walang maging sagaban sa pagtupad ng inyong mga pangarap or pagtupad ng inyong mga wishes. Phoenix rising. Phoenix, this is really good. Be prepared to be renewed after period of crisis. Kasi sa ngayon, no, malalagpasan nyo na ang crisis na pinagdadaanan ninyo sa buhay, mga challenging situation ninyo. You are going to surpass that, no? At makakarating na kayo dito sa inyong tagumpay, alright? You're going to receive, or you're going to surpass, you're going to surpass whatever challenging situation there is. We have cracker, positive energy surrounds you, love, joy, and good fortune awaits. So, napakaganda nito. Kailangan lang talaga na mag-project kayo ng positive attitude, positivity, positive energy lang ang ibalot ninyo sa sarili ninyo, because there is love, there is joy, and good fortune na naghihintay sa inyo. So, importante na i-project natin ang positivity sa buhay, okay? What else? We have unicorn, success, hope, freedom, healing, and magic are all available to you if you just believe. Kaya, kailangan magtiwala ka lang, okay? Magtiwala ka lang. Kasi kung ano yung pinagtitiwalaan natin, ano yung kinukonvince natin sa sarili natin, that is what's going to attract. That's what's going to happen, diba? Kaya kung naniniwala kayo na magtatagumpay ka, naniniwala ka na meron kang pag-asa, may kalayaan ka, may healing or magic na deserve ninyo, then for sure yan din ang maa-attract ninyo towards you. Marriage, ayan, so merong opportunity ang iba sa inyo dito to magpakasal na, no? Maaari din na ngayon pa lang ninyo makikilala ang mapapangasawa ninyo, or maybe meron kayong marriage proposal ngayon na gagawin, or baka kayo yung pagpoproposan. Kung hindi man romantic marriage ito, baka business partnership ito. Baka business, marriage and business na maaaring i-offer sa inyo or i-offer ninyo. We have Moon, pay attention to your intuition at this time and move ahead confidently. Okay? So, meron tayong intuitive messages dito na marireceive, Aquarius, no? Kaya pay attention to that dahil hindi kayo pinapabayaan ng Divine Universe. Ginagabayan kayo, tinutulungan kayo, pinoprotektahan at ginagwardyan kayo. And at this time, binibigyan kayo ng mga intuitive messages, information, inspiration na makakatulong sa inyo dito para magabayan ka, maturuan ka, mailawan ang daan ninyo kung saan kayo dapat pamunta, where you need to be. Alright? So, good luck. Thank you for watching Lala Light. Namaste.